Hello, design furniture family. Today, we're diving into the world of antiquing furniture using paint and stains. This technique can transform your modern pieces into timeless treasures with a vintage charm. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. First, let's gather all the supplies you'll need: sandpaper, 120 and 220 grit. Paint, your choice of color. Stain, dark or antique. Paintbrushes. Clean, lint-free cloths. Painter's tape. Protective gloves. Drop cloth or newspaper. Step 2. Prepare your furniture. Start by preparing your furniture piece. Sand it thoroughly using the 120 grit sandpaper to remove any existing finish and smooth out the surface. Step 3. Apply the base coat of paint. Now, it's time to apply the base coat of paint. Choose a color that will act as the main hue of your antique finish. Use a paintbrush to apply an even coat of paint, following the grain of the wood. Step 4. Distress the edges. To achieve an authentic antique look, distress the edges and corners of the furniture. Use 120 grit sandpaper to gently sand away some of the paint on high-traffic areas like edges. Step 5. Apply the stain. Next, apply the stain to enhance the antique effect. Choose a dark or antique stain and use a clean, lint-free cloth to apply it in small sections. Work the stain into the paint. Step 6. Finishing touches. Once the stain is dry, inspect your piece for any final touches. You can add more distressing or staining as needed to achieve your desired look. And there you have it. Your modern furniture piece is now a beautifully antique treasure, ready to add vintage charm to any space. Thank you for joining us on this DIY journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY tips and furniture makeover ideas from Design Furniture. Until next time, happy crafting!